Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to download videos using UC Browser. So first, open the official UC Browser app on your phone. Then use the browser to visit the website where the video is hosted. And if the website and video provide a legitimate download option, then tap the download button. UC Browser may then show you the available download quality or file options. Then choose the option you want and confirm the download. You can check the download progress from UC Browser's download section. And once the download is completed, open the download section to find the saved file. You need to keep in mind that some websites don't allow their videos to be downloaded and copyrighted content may have restrictions. If there is no official download option, then don't use a tool to bypass those restrictions. Also, avoid downloading videos from suspicious websites since files can contain unwanted softwares. So that was how to download supported videos using UC Browser. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.